Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. So on the XRP chart, despite Bitcoin's push higher, XRP hasn't done much. It obviously entered our main, let's call it pivot point area here a few days ago, and then has been consolidating over the weekend. It's still respecting our target and resistance range here, so we haven't had a sustained break above resistance, and this is the area where the price now needs to make a decision. I think it could still push a little higher, but it's very much limited to, first of all, 54.9 cents. A break above that level would force a recount of the triangle, but I have to be very honest with you, it would already make this triangle as it is far less likely, basically a triangle in which another low would be preferred, okay? So another low here in wave C, as we discussed in previous videos, is really only likely as long as the price stays below 54.9 cents, because any violation of that level to the upside will likely lead to invalidation of the triangle. It's not invalidation yet. Invalidation will happen above the green line, and that's the 55.8 cent level, and then it will most likely take us to 63.6 cents. So in other words, we have a breakout point to the upside at 55.8 cents. This is an area in which we wanted the price to get into, which has been achieved. And now we need to see if the price can reverse to the downside. Assuming Bitcoin might get a pullback now, for example, which it certainly could. If it wants to do a pullback, it could do it from here. Then XRP could also fulfill this last wave to the downside. But on the other hand, to confirm a breakdown, I need to see a break below the X wave low. That's at 47.8 cents. At least it would suggest a breakdown. Real confirmation will only be obtained below the 45.8 cent level. Yeah? So these are the key levels. No change to the parameters. But let's take a look at the 1 hour chart and the more detailed wave count. I'm still here watching for a potential WXY structure in the E wave of the triangle. This wave count is based on the assumption that we might be in a larger triangle that suggests a breakout to the downside. But obviously it's testing the limits now. Now that's nothing surprising because we wanted the price to get into this region. And now I just need to see if it can turn down before breaking above the key pivot level that I indicated to you. So looking at the microstructure, if we really say we are in the Y wave, then in my opinion, the best way to micro count it, and again, take the micro counting with a pinch of salt, but best way to do it would be to count this move up as wave A of Y. Then we likely had a triangle here in wave B of Y, and we might now be pushing higher in wave C of Y. The problem is that it's really getting to the limits of what it can do, as I just explained to you. So basically the C wave is very short. It's going to be very short, but that's okay. We have an A wave up. That's fine. We have the B wave, which would be an ABCDE structure in itself. Let's see if we can get that counted. A, probably I would have the B here, C, D, E. So we've got a valid triangle in wave B. Yeah, but now what's this? I mean, maybe one more high, but then it's very much limited to 54.9 cents. Anyway, whatever the micro count is, this is a valid interpretation, but my concern is that the C wave is getting a bit too short. So whatever the micro count is, more important than the micro count in a correction are the relevant pivots and levels, okay? And I indicated all these levels to you. Just note that a break above 55.8 cents is gonna most likely take us to the next key level at 63 cents, and then we take it from there. But overall, zooming out a little bit further, I would say at the moment, as long as we stay below 55.8 cents, a move down and then rally is assumed, or if we break above 55.8, it could do something more directly. Okay, but first of all, next resistance level is going to be around 63 cents. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.